Observed on July 28 annually, World Nature Conservation Day acknowledges that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy society. According to Gifford Pinchot, conservation means the wise use of the earth and its resources for the lasting good of mankind. Earth's natural resources include air, minerals, plants, soil, water, and wildlife. Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can be preserved for future generations. It includes maintaining the diversities of species, genes, and ecosystems as well as the functions of the environment, such as nutrient cycling. World Nature Conservation Day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society. And to ensure the well being of the present and future generations, we all must participate to protect, conserve, and sustainably manage our natural resources.
Here are a few things we can start practicing as a part of contribution towards maintaining balance and practice sustainable life. Firstly, avoid wastage of water, food and items of regular use. Secondly, save power by switching off lights, fans and air conditioners when not in use. Thirdly, use of alternative sources of power such as solar and wind energy because they do not produce the gas that damages the ozone layer. Next, we should avoid wasting water and close the tap properly after brushing or washing our hands. Rainwater harvesting during the monsoon season is an excellent way to conserve water. Moreover, we must plant trees to prevent soil erosion. This creates a habitat for wildlife, therefore conserving wildlife altogether. Growing of vegetation in catchment areas since it acts as a source of water that flows through the oceans, rivers and streams. There must be treatment of industrial waste and sewages before they are released into the water bodies to prevent pollution. Practice these small steps for a sustainable lifestyle to protect and conserve the nature.
Conservation of nature is very necessary. Even scientists have also warned us about the mass extinctions in the near future. Our precious resources are being wasted. Due to global warming, temperature is increasing day by day. Storms and level of the sea is also increasing. Freshwater glaciers are melting, which threaten lives. We are connected to each other with natural resources. The natural world is facing an increasing threat from unsustainable practices, and the challenge is how to conserve and preserve nature to achieve sustainable development. Let us come together and make an effort to contribute to the local, national, or global level in conserving nature. It will not only help our present generation but also for future generations. Let us not forget that conservation is not merely a question of morality but a question of our own survival. Thank you.
Let there be color, let there be green. Let there be smiles that last much longer. Let there be praise for nature. Let there be love for the wild. Let trees stand tall. Let there be vision. Let there be flight. Let there be wind under the wings. Let there be forest for generations to come. Let existence be beautiful. Let's change a little. Let's conserve a little. Take a walk inside a park or jaunt a forgotten trail. Close your eyes and listen. Take a deep breath and exhale. For nature's call invites you. It's peaceful and serene. It heals the body deep inside. Naturally, not by artificial means. Saving the environment is bigger than you think. It not only affects society, it pulls health from the brink. Thank you.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। हम कहाँ रहेंगे, बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। This is an open letter from you meant to gather. Tomorrow's in your hands now. Find the words matter, say them out loud and make it better somehow. Looking down from up on the moon, it's a tiny blue marble. Who'd have thought the ground we stand on could be so fragile? This is a love song to the earth. You're no ordinary world, a diamond in the universe. Heaven's poetry to us. Keep it safe, keep it safe, keep it safe, 'cause it's ours, it's ours. শত ফুল বিকশিত মনে মনে শুধু চাওয়া, শত ফুল বিকশিত মনে মনে শুধু চাওয়া, সব করে কুসুমিত চাই শুধু সেই আবহাওয়া, শত ফুল বিকশিত মনে মনে শুধু চাওয়া। ঝড় shot to fool.